Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Flourish, and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Yes, so I got myself some items for my birthday, and so I'm going to be unboxing in this video. Okay, so these items are things that I really needed. I wanted these things so badly, and so I just told myself, you know what, why not just gift yourself these things for your birthday? Because I actually have a routine where during my birthdays I always get myself a particular gift on my birthday, like aside whatever anyone's going to give to me, aside what my friends, my family, my husband is going to give to me. I always give myself something for my birthday, like from myself to myself. So that's just something I started. I think I started this in 2020. Yeah, 2020. I always get myself something during my birthdays, and since then I started doing it. I have enjoyed the whole process of gifting something to myself. You know what, Flourish, this is for you. So yeah, that's the same thing I did for my birthday. You all know that I celebrated my birthday some weeks ago, so I got these items for myself as a birthday gift. Okay, so let's just unbox together. Let's jump right into the video. Okay, so the first item on my list, or the first thing I got for myself, will be this ring light. No, this is not ring light, this is a LED light. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I got myself this LED light because I needed a LED light for my videos. Okay, so this LED light, it comes like this. So let's unbox together. I've actually opened it. I opened it where I got it because of course I needed to be sure what is inside and for them to test it that it's actually working. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, that's how it looks like. It comes with let me bring this down. It comes with the LED lights. I don't know if you can see it. So unbox this is very difficult. So it comes with the LED lights, then 2 batteries, the charger. I think this is this is just the way it comes, like this. And then it came with a stand. So I'm super excited about these items like that I got. So this is the LED light. This is the LED lights. Let me bring it out. This is LED light 800. Let me see. So yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, I'm super excited because at the moment I'm not using any lights for my video, so I really needed this. Actually, I had a ring light that I was using that I started with, but at some point I had to take it to my store, and that's where it is right now. So since I gave that, I kept that to my store so that they will be using it in the store. I didn't have any ring light for my videos, so I told myself that, you know what, it's time to get a LED light. I didn't want a ring light anymore. I needed a LED light, so I said I'm going to get one for myself for my birthday. And yeah, so I did because I wanted my videos to have good lighting. I wanted to make more, how do I put it, I just wanted to make good content for my audience. I want my videos to be very clear. So most of my videos I haven't been shooting with any form of lighting, no, aside the bulbs. Yes, I haven't been using artificial lighting. I just use my normal lighting at home and I shoot my videos. I'm really excited about this buy. I'm really excited. Like, I'm investing into my YouTube career. So you guys should please support your girl. So if you're watching to this point, please support your girl. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you like, make sure you share. Please just support me. I'm doing everything that I could to improve in making quality content for my audience. Okay, yeah. So the next thing, okay, and also to point that this ring light came with a stand. So this is the stand. Let me open up the stand. I haven't unboxed it, so I've not opened it up. So this is the stand. It's turning out to be nice. Yeah, so this is the stand that came with it. This is the stand. I'm super excited. I'm so happy. Like, I'm really excited about this item that I got. Yeah. Okay, so the next item that I got for myself for my birthday as a gift to myself is this mic. I wanted a wireless mic. It's a wireless mic. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. It's a wireless mic, and this was the other thing I got for myself. I really wanted a wireless mic because of my vlogs. Okay, I had a mic and I still have one, but it's not wireless. It has a cord attached to it. So sometimes when I'm shooting my video and I have to move, I can't, because there's something attached to my body and through my phone. Okay, so I can't really move, and I really wanted a wireless mic. And yeah, this is my wireless mic. I gifted this to myself and I'm so excited. So this is the wireless mic that I got. So let's open it. I've not opened it up, so let's open it. How's this open? How do they open this thing? Okay. Oh, yeah, this is the mic. Yeah, this is the mic. Oh my god, I'm super excited. Yeah, it's even actually doubled. Wow. Oh my goodness, I didn't know it was a doubled mic. Wow, yay! So even if I have someone to do a video with me, my husband possibly, or my friend, we can share the mic. I didn't know it was a double mic. I thought it was just one. Wow, I'm so excited. I thought it was just one. I didn't know it was two. It comes with two mics like this. Can you see? It's two. I thought it was one, and wow. So yeah, it's actually two mics, and it comes with an iPhone extension, and then this one. Well, I'm going to try them on. Oh, I'm so excited that it's actually double mic. Yay! I thought it was just one, but it's two, and I'm glad. I'm happy. I didn't know because I didn't open this one, so I did not know how it actually looks. This is the first time I'm opening it. So it's actually two, and then it comes with a charger. I think this charger that'd be called. I'm trying to open. What's this? This is a charger. I need to know what's inside. Yeah, this is a cord. Thank you for charging it. I don't know, but I'll check it out to just see. So yeah, so these are the items that I gifted myself for my birthday: a ring light and also a wireless mic. Yes, and I'm super excited because I know that I'm going to be creating clear videos and videos that are audible so that people can hear me. So yeah, I'm really excited, especially for my vlogs. I'll have something that I'm just going to pin on my body like this and shoot or hold it like this and show. Oh my god, I'm so excited about the mic, especially because I've always wanted it. I'll go on and I'll see it, but I've just been scared to order because of the price of delivery in Lagos. So I'm just keep postponing, and that I'm going to buy later. At the end of the day, I did not buy until my birthday. Some days after my birthday, I decided to buy it for myself as a gift to myself. Okay, so yeah, that's basically all that I bought for my birthday. Okay, so I just want to try this thing on. I want to try it on I want to try filming myself with the ring light on and the mic and see the difference and the changes that actually it makes. Okay, all right, don't go anywhere. I'm coming. Just hold on for me. Let me set up and I'll be right back. I've set up the ring light now. Why am I saying ring light, for heaven's sake? I'm so used to ring lights. So I've set up the LED light. That's the light. I'm currently using it now, and I'm sure you can tell the difference between when I was shooting previously and now. I'm sure it's a lot clearer, it's brighter, and I'm sure it's better compared to when there was no light. Okay, so and I don't know if this is working. I've connected it to my phone and the light is on. I don't know. I'm sure that maybe when I listen to the video, I will be able to tell. But everything is on and I'm trying to use it. And I'm sure that it's going to enhance my video. The sound will be better. The lighting is going to be better. Okay, so I'm just super glad that I was able to give these things to myself. I'm just looking for ways to improve in creating content here on YouTube. So that's why I get gifted myself these things because I know they are important to me. I've wanted them for the longest time, but I'm getting them now. So that's also to encourage somebody that want to start YouTube and you're wondering, I don't have this, I don't have that. Use what you have. If you don't have lights, shoot like that. Just open up your windows or turn on the light bulbs in your room and shoot. You don't need to have everything to shoot. You can shoot your videos without mic. Shoot it. People will still watch it. But as time goes by, and if you have the resources, you can just start putting one or two things together. Like now, I just upgraded some of the items I have. For sometimes I shot my videos without LED light. It was even my first video on this channel that I used my ring light until I took it to my store. And since then, I haven't been using any form of light like LED light or ring light. So you can still shoot your videos like that. You don't need to have everything. Just start. As long as you have a phone that you can record something, record and shoot, then with time you can now start putting up your equipment because with YouTube you have to keep getting better. With time you now have to now start putting things together. So yeah, just start and then you start getting your equipment. Okay, so yeah, so that is all for this video. Those are the things I got for myself and I'm so excited. I know that my video quality will improve from now henceforth and I'm super duper excited. So this is just to encourage you guys to please enjoy. Please, please subscribe to my channel, please. I know that people watch my videos, I have a lot of viewers, but they're not subscribing. Please, why are you not subscribing? Just tell me, why are you not subscribing? Is there anything that you don't like that I'm doing, or you want a particular content that you want me to be shooting? Just tell me. Whatever it is to make you guys happy, I will do. So just tell me, what video content do you want me to be shooting? Why haven't you subscribed? Don't you like my content? Please just let me know in the comment section. Is there anything you want me to improve on? Just tell me. I will do all of that. Okay, so please just subscribe to my channel as a birthday gift to me. Please subscribe. Please, I'm begging you, just subscribe. Just subscribe to my channel, like my videos, turn on your post notification so that you can always see a video from me whenever I post. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Till we see again in our next one. Stay blessed and keep flourishing. Bye.